Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Please a round of applause for yourself. Thank you. Please, now we're not quarreling. A round of applause for your own self. Oh. Please clap for me. I'm a married man, please. Sure? Oh, wow. All right, we're here for FunnyBone, and he says he's a grown man. I like the positivity around FunnyBone. It's good that you say good things about yourself. He said he's a grown man, so I believe he's a grown man. Because what you say about yourself matters very much. That's how some years ago, Craig Davis was shouting, I'm walking away. Since that time till now, it don't work out lost. Nobody know where Craig Davis is again. Lagos is an amazing place. Lagos is the only place where Google Map will lead you into one way. As we are driving last month, so my brother be coming. When you park, so what are you doing here? He said, Google Map brought me here. Are you aware this place is one way? He said, I don't know. So what will you do now? I said, oh, guys, Google Map, and let Google Map come and bail you. Google Map in Nigeria, sometimes you get confused. I was in Abuja once. Google Map told me 800 meters, turn right. We turn right. In 400 meters, turn left. We don't know, say Google Map don't lose. Next thing, 200 meters, go straight. Another 400 meters, keep going straight. Next thing, Google Map say, my brother, the next bus stop, by Gala, traffic day front. It got to a point, Google Map asked us, my brother, where are we? I said, I won't show you road. You know, when a man says he's a grown man, the next thing for him is that he has to get married. And funny enough, the nickname of FunnyBone is Husband Material One of Africa. So please, after this show, FunnyBone provide us a wife. We have many countries in that. It's when you start paying school fees and buying milk that they finish in 4 days without teeth. That is when you know you are a grown man. God will judge my daughter. It's not a laughing matter. This is the only country where you marry and you're not even sure. You know, as a married man, there are many things that happen to us. I got married from Edo State. Anybody from Edo State here? Edo State is the only place that have airport, no plane. Because they don't need it. Everybody flies. If you see sometimes I look at my wife, where are you? Say, I'm in the village. When did you travel? He said, this morning. When are you coming back? I'm on my way. Now breeze blow me, go Asaba. Don't they come back? If you see the gift they gave to me and my wife on our wedding, the broom, bucket, packer. I said, what's the broom for? It says for local flight. To where? He said, what about the packer? I said, international flight. I said, eh? So somebody will sit on packer and come from abroad. He said, nah, that woman take come. Eh? And that man was spraying us and touching our head. I said, which kind of wahala be this one? I said, so what about the bucket? I said, it's parachute in case of crash. I said, now you go crash. Marriage whenever start, now you won't crash. After 5 days in Benin, I told my wife, let's go somewhere. If it was Lagos now, there are many places to go. Which kind of honeymoon be this? See, there's a place in Benin called Ogba Zoo. We went to Ogba Zoo. I saw Nigerian lion. Frustrated. It was the lion that spoke Benin for me, Ebokia. I said, my brother, are you there talk? He said, my brother, for 4 years, I've not drank blood. I said, what do you say? I eat my mind. I say, you are a human being. Which kind of lion they chop my mind for this country? This is the only, Nigeria now, there's a great escape to Canada. Everybody won't run. People are running yet. We are not reducing in number. That shows you that we are more than 170 million Nigerians. The 170 million Nigerians, they say we are. Now the people, when they have, they when they count us. If you go embassy, another 100 million, they any country, Somalia, Eritrea, let's go. As I'm talking now, 50 million Nigerians are swimming to Spain through Morocco. If you think I'm lying, once you throw a hook in that river, you won't see fish. Say, my eye. Now you man me there. You think I'm joking? This country. People die here. Is it true? Marriage is sweet when you have money. One man frustrated me in good tidings of comfort and joy. He said, forever. My name is Forever. I've not called my name before. He said, my brother, I want to surprise you and your wife. I said, how? He said, I want you to see the other side of life. I said, wonderful, how? He said, I want to book an expensive hotel for you. And so the man carried me and my wife. Come this particular hotel. On April 8th, I can't forget. Sweeter bitter and sweet day in my life. That was how I enter room. I just said, let me sit on the bed. The bed I sit down water. Instantly, my mind was telling me something is not right. Call receptionist. I said, my sister, how much is this room? They said 156,000. I said, for 1 week. No, he said 1 night. Say, eh? As the man paid, he said yes. Can we take it back? He said no. Instantly, I became depressed. Because my annual rent from January 1st to December 31st, I live in Ogudio, GRO, 800,000. I brought a calculator, divided 800,000 by 365 days, divided 156. Ladies and gentlemen, me and my wife slept 71 days of our rent in that room. And off sleep, AC, they cold, and they feel heat. I didn't know I have poverty mentality until that day. They said, let's come for dinner. Yo, you know, small fufu too. Small. This hand is even bigger than the fufu. Round one, egusi soup, and flat pomo. You know, pomo. The round pomo is the one with self-esteem. The flat one is the motherless baby pomo. That one. 21,000. I said, for what? So I thought I was the only one that had poverty mentality until my wife went to use the restroom. Use restroom. Come and I say, madam, you know, off tap. He said, my husband will not finish the money. Make the water waste. I tell my wife, I say, Nida, let me pray for you. God has saved me. You see all those beverages you see on top of hotels? I did not touch it. My wife said, why? I said, my sister, don't touch it. Because I went to one hotel. I didn't know that those things were not free. Yola. Lodged in my hotel in Yola. Just saw things. You collect. As I was, normally, I finish my hotel room. What I mean that I check out by 11:59. I don't want the room to waste. I finish it. But that day, the Holy Spirit was telling me forever, check out. Checked at 11:30. I said, God, I have 29. He said, my son, move. I got to reception. I said, my sister, I'm checking out. He said, did you touch anything? I said, yes, I touched pillow, mattress. He said, no, did you use anything? I said, I used the soap and tissue. He said, those things on the table, did you use them? I said, yes. I said, and they were very nice. He says, I have to balance us 4,000. I said, 4,000 for, I'm not paying for another deal. He said, and those things. Eh? You know Danomic now, sachet. Sachet Danomico and Milo. 4,000 bottled water. I tell him, madam, I'm not checking out. Went back to my room, removed my clothes, wear short, polo, slippers, black nylon in my pocket. Came out. Walked to one Aboki shop across. Aboki, do you have Danomic? He said, yes. How much? I said, 20. Give me 30. You have Milo? He said, yeah. How much? I said, 30. Give me 10. You have bottled water? I said, yeah. How much? I said, give me 15. Everything I spent, 1,050 naira. Carry my black nylon, waka past the gate front. Enter my room. The exact spot they put that thing, I replaced them. 2-2. Went to the next room. I said, oh, God, did you drink the mix? Yeah, he says 4,000 or you will pay or take, replace it. I was sharing things in the hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. My name is Forever. Have a good evening.
Hi, if you like this video, it's simple. Subscribe to the FunnyBone comedy channel by clicking on the red button to subscribe and the bell button beside it for notifications. And trust me, it will watch your time and energy. FunnyBone says so. Laughter all the way. Stick around.